Have you ever dreamed about living on the water, but not on the ocean? Come experience the Lagoon lifestyle. Hello, my name is Ryan Kessel, new home specialist, and today we are at the Lagoon Residence by DRB Homes. This is the Dalia floor plan. Let's go check it out. You're gonna have your kitchen off to the right, and these homes you can customize. So you got quartz here, nice large 42-inch cabinet. What makes the Dalia floor plan special for a townhome is the owner suite is located on the first floor, which is rare for townhomes. So you have a nice large bedroom downstairs. As you can see, this model backs directly onto the Epperson Lagoon. And you have a beautiful ensuite bathroom, quartz countertops, dual sink, huge walk-in closet, and you got this extra space here underneath the stairs. Nice glass enclosed shower, spacious living room that actually opens onto a downstairs lanai. This model is overlooking the lagoon. It's all screened in, so you don't have to worry about the bug. As you can see, this is an open concept, so off the living area, you do have a dining. And the finish off downstairs, you do have a powder room, and then the downstairs laundry room. We're going upstairs now. This is a 2-story townhome, and it's all block construction, first and second story, which is important in my opinion. Not all builders do that. Upstairs, you have a huge loft area, almost like a second living room. If you have kids, this could also be a game room or a separate living space for the children. This space here could be a little home office area or a homework area for the kids. This is one of the secondary bedrooms, and it has its own walk-in closet. As you can see, this one has built-ins. And off this bedroom, you do have a full bathroom up here. Quartz countertop, beautiful cabinetry, tub shower combo. Right, and we're gonna go check out the third bedroom, large size. What I like about this builder is you have a lot of natural light coming in with multiple windows. You got 3 there, one behind the netting, and then a 4th one off to the side. And now let's go check out my favorite hangout spot. Just imagine coming home after a hard, long day of work and relaxing to this view. So if you've considered living the Lagoon lifestyle, I'm your new home and lagoon specialist. So give me a call, 813-587-2424.